Ay, mag-bag raid tayo, sis. Ano naman yung bag mo?
gosh.
Ano yung bag mo? Ano yung bag
This
mo?
one is Louis Vuitton.
Totoo yan?
Yeah, this is authentic. I bought this from Paris.
Oh my God!
Yeah. Yeah.
Let me see, let me see, let me see.
What's inside my
Yeah.
bag? So, of course, I have here my
Wow, oh my gosh.
my
A lot.
my green therapy blush serum.
Oh my gosh. What else? What else?
And I have here the ampao.
Ampaw? Ampaw for what?
For my, for
The boys?
Yeah,
The boys?
the boys.
Oh, later, later.
I have my iPhone.
iPhone ano to?
iPhone 13 Pro Max.
Oh my gosh, siya.
Fully paid. I
Fully
have my
paid?
wallet and my coin purse.
Oh my gosh, may nakikita ko na dapat hindi nakikita.
And my what's this?
Resibo? Oh, yan sis. Sis, ano yan? Parang may something ka, sis.